Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe is another childhood favorite of everyone. This is Little Heart cookies. And this is also called as Palmier cookies, which is made using puff pastry sheets. But here I am not using any ready-made sheets. Let's make the dough for the cookies. Into some all-purpose flour, add in salt, sugar and lemon juice. Give it a mix. Now you need some freezed butter. Just grate it and add it into the flour. Now mix all the flour and butter together. Now add a little bit of chilled water and mix and make it into a smooth dough. Now wrap this dough using a cling film. Press it nicely. And you have to refrigerate this for 30 minutes or you can freeze it for 10 minutes. Once it gets firm, sprinkle some flour onto the countertop and start rolling it. Once you roll this out into a thin sheet, cut out the uneven edges from the sides. Now take some sugar crystals, spread it onto the sheet and start folding the sheet from both the sides like this. After each fold, sprinkle more sugar and fold it again. And to the final fold, fold both the sides together like this. Now cover this entire roll in butter paper and freeze it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it got really firm. And cut it out with 1/2 inch thickness. And place it carefully onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. And bake this in a 200-degree preheated oven for 10 minutes. And once you take it out, sprinkle some crystal sugar on top of it. Or in the second method, you can dip these cookies in crystal sugar just before baking. And after baking, you can see all the sugars have got stuck to the cookies. And with the excess cut out dough from the sides, I just rolled it up and made it into small roses like this. And baked that as well. So there it is, our Little Heart cookies, or you can call as Palmier cookies, are ready. Whatever you call it, it tastes simply amazing. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.